We are here on the show floor at CES 2018 taking a look at an all-new product by Startup Canary. This is the $99 Canary View. The reason why this is so exciting is because Canary introduced an all-in-one home security system previously that looks just like this one, but was a lot more expensive. But now you're getting basically the same thing for a lot less money, just 99 bucks, which is much less than I've ever seen for any other all-in-one home security system. Basically, you get 1080p HD live streaming, night vision, two-way talk, a 147-degree diagonal field of view, and also upcoming integration with both the Amazon Echo Spot and the Amazon Echo Show, so you can actually just pull up the live feed of whatever this puppy's looking at on your phone. So its integrated app also has all of the same stuff. You can view the live feed, you can get alerts to motion or whatever else is happening in and around different parts of your house. Canary also ditched the Ethernet cable with this model, just making it Wi-Fi only. And this one will also have free person alerts, which means if it sees a person, it won't tell you who it sees, but it will say that it sees a person versus just generic motion. The Canary View is available now for purchase on Canary's online store and will be making its way to major retailers both here and overseas in the future.